Hi guys, it's Sandy here and today I have a very exciting video. But firstly, if you're new here, I am a South African YouTuber that posts beauty and lifestyle type content every week, so do make sure to subscribe if you're not. Also, if you're an anime fan, you're really going to want to watch this. So, my bank account is crying, but my face is smiling. I ordered something off a site called the Engrave Slave, and they basically sell originally designed like anime inspired merch and items. So they have like t-shirts and bags and like a bunch of other stuff. But what stood out to me was a I can't even bring myself to say it. I'm so excited. Is they have an Attack on Titan tea set. I can't believe I have this in my hands right now. I can smell something amazing through the bubble wrap. Okay, calm down. Let me open this. You know that I must really be obsessed with something if I am willing to pay like a lot of money for shipping, because this shipping was like 130 rand, but I really wanted this. I really wanted this. Like, I'm that much of a simp, you know. You guys who are still in school and you're anime fans and you think you have it so hard, like you can't afford any of like the anime merch and stuff, can I tell you, it's harder being a grown-up with money that you can spend on the merch, because then you have to have self-control. And then when you spend all your money buying anime merch and then you can't afford to pay your rent, then what? You see, when you're young you don't have such problems. Must be nice. I want to go back to the days when I didn't have money, when I was still in school. Because you think I have money, but I don't. I really don't. Captain Levi, though. Captain Levi. Oh wow, it's cute. This is the little box. Smell a citrusy smell. That's what I'm smelling. I don't know if they like sprayed the spray or if it's like the tea. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. You were seeing this before me. What are you seeing? I also want to see what you're seeing. What is this? It's nice. You're seeing something nice. Yeah, we have a little thank you card and like telling you to tag their social, and then have another little businessy cardy thingy. If you do want to place an order from the Engrave Slave, I will put their details down below in the description so you can check them out on Instagram or their website. This is what the inside of the box looks like. Ooh, it's packaged so nicely. Oh wow. Why did I want to smell that? So we have two little Attack on Titan fridge magnets. One is the Wings of Freedom and the other one says give up on your dreams and die. And the quality is amazing. It's just got the little magnetic strips on the back. I don't know if you can like see my Attack on Titan stuff in the background. I have this frame with like this bougie model Levi. I have this like Wings of Freedom like artwork thing that I made myself. This used to be in the gold frame, but then I was like switched it up a bit. Now let's just have a look at this tea. Oh, these tins are gorgeous. So obviously I got the give up on your dreams and die like Captain Levi inspired theme, and then I got the Armin loyalty. Can I just tell you that I ordered this almond tea before season 4 episode 14 happened, so I knew Armin was always a baddie. Like I knew. My simp senses were tingling and I got the almond tea, so I'm so happy. I'm terrible. I'm literally terrible. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry to everyone that's watching this. I'm just having the time of my life right now. Smells so good. We have the little like bag with the tea leaves in. This is a gorgeous color, by the way. Like wow. I've never made tea like that before, like with the actual tea leaves, so that'll be fun to try out. So boil the water, warm up teapot, put tea leaves into teapot and add hot water. Cover teapot and steep for 3 minutes. Strain tea leaves and pour hot tea into a teacup. Sounds simple, but watch me mess that up. Okay, let me read this. Armin is exceptionally loyal and selfless, making his tea a down-to-earth creation. Honeybush flavored with blood orange essence. Blood orange is less sweet and the citrus note is wonderful on a honeybush base. Rich, brilliant and brightly colored memory of an experience emanating Armin in each cup. Calm down, Sandy, calm down. Let me read the Levi one. Ooh, it's a lot of text here. We all know Levi is not very approachable. He really shows emotion, giving a cold impression to others. His manner of blunt speaking, even insulting and salty personality was inspiration for his tea blend. This woody, nutty and fruity black tea has the exciting blend of quince pieces and chamomile flower is truly sensational. The subtle salty taste of quince pieces and the full flavor of chamomile flowers brews Levi in this tea. Chamomile flower is rich, yellow, calming yet filled with exciting, bouncy flavors. I don't know what quince extract is. Quince pieces. Am I even saying that right? I love the idea of chamomile for Levi. And then we have the thing that I really wanted, which is the mug. I actually drink a lot of tea on a daily basis, specifically green tea. I love green tea. And now I can be drinking it in a cup with Captain Levi engraved on it. Why did I smell the cup? What's wrong with me? Okay, there's like pieces of... Ooh, that's on my floor now. That is on my floor. Oh my gosh, I love this mug. It's the perfect size mug. And I love drinking from see-through mugs as well. I don't know, I just really like it. It's such a wonderful mug, man. It's a wonderful mug. As if I needed any more distractions while I was working, now I'm going to be staring at my teacup instead of my computer screen. This was worth it, eh? It was worth it. I actually like the almond one more for some reason. Like the citrusiness is really appealing to me. I love berries and like citrusy things in general. This is really earthy. Like when I smell this, I imagine those forests in Attack on Titan. And if you're up to date with season 4, specifically in that forest with Zeke, that's what comes to mind. And when I smell almonds, I imagine that scene from the opening with the Red Swan playing, so season 3, where they're all together and they're in the sun and they're speaking about like just their future and the ocean. And I just, I remember like almonds' golden hair, and just that warmth in that scene, those hopes, those dreams. I think I'm going to try out the tea in like TikTok videos. So make sure you check out my TikTok. I hope you enjoyed that video as much as I enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. Don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!